Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're breaking down the DJI RS4 Mini, a lightweight gimbal that's built for creators who want buttery smooth shots without the bulk. Whether you're using a Sony, Canon, or even a compact Panasonic setup, this stabilizer promises pro-level performance in a travel-friendly package. All the links you need are in the description below, so scroll down and check those out. And before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for no BS gear reviews every single week. Let's get into it! Build and handling. Straight out the box, the RS4 Mini feels premium. It weighs just around 1.5 pounds, but don't let the size fool you. This thing is solid. It's made from magnesium alloy, which keeps it light without sacrificing durability. Mounting your camera is super intuitive with the newly designed quick-release plates, and the fine-tuning knob makes balance adjustments a breeze. It supports up to 4.4 pounds of payload, meaning it'll handle most mirrorless cameras and lenses with no sweat. Whether you're filming low-angle shots, vlogging, or running around with a backpack, this gimbal is ready to move with you. Performance and features. Now let's talk smoothness. DJI's 4th-gen stabilization algorithm is next level. This gimbal keeps your footage steady even when you're sprinting, jumping, or dodging tourists on a busy street. You've got multiple shooting modes: pan follow, FPV, and even a briefcase mode that lets you get creative with low-angle tracking shots. It's responsive, reliable, and adapts to your movement without getting in your way. The RS4 Mini also features Bluetooth shutter control for major camera brands, so you can start-stop recording without touching your rig. Battery life and usability. Battery life, solid. You get up to 10 hours on a full charge, and it only takes about 2.5 hours to juice back up via USB-C. Perfect for long shoot days or travel gigs. The 1.4-inch touchscreen makes navigating modes super simple, and you can fine-tune settings directly from the display. No need to dive into a separate app mid-shoot. But if you want to use the DJI Ronin app, it's there for full customization and wireless control. Flaws and considerations. All right, time to keep it real. The RS4 Mini isn't built for heavy cine rigs. It's meant for compact, mirrorless setups. If you're rolling with big lenses or full-frame cinema cams, you might want to look at the standard RS4 or RS4 Pro. Also, while it supports vertical shooting, the setup can take a minute to configure. So if you're bouncing between horizontal and vertical formats, it's something to keep in mind. Final verdict. So, is the DJI RS4 Mini worth it? If you're a solo shooter, content creator, or filmmaker looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly gimbal with killer stabilization and pro features, absolutely. It's compact, powerful, and super user-friendly. Whether you're vlogging in the city, shooting travel content, or capturing dynamic B-roll, this gimbal's got your back. Check out the link in the description to grab yours. And if this helped you out, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifs. I'm Top 5 Trey, and trust me, out of your top 5 decisions today, subscribing will be one of the smartest. Peace out.